If there is one video you watch of mine, make it this. I mean, hello, you're already watching, but I'm so excited for this video. You have no idea. I spent like an hour yesterday just sitting there writing down lists. We're going to let Dice do my makeup. This is directly influenced by Adventures in Adia, or of Adia? Wait, Adventures in Adia on TikTok. He does roll for sandwich where he lets fate, or the dice, control what goes in his sandwiches. Then I saw Soph do it for makeup. I've been following this guy for so long, and whenever I watch them I always thought it'd be cool to do it with makeup, but never even like pursued that at all. Like didn't even like think about it again until I saw Soph do it. I was like, oh my god, nah, now I have to. So Soph did a real cool one. I have only done eye makeup selections, and if you have any ideas on what I can add to the list as we go, please add comments. And I'm going to take your suggestions from the comments and add them to my list so that we can add more and more and more, make it more hectic, make it more crazy, make it more fun. Sorry, the lighting is going crazy today. What's new? And we can add more selections too, like blush, bronzer and stuff like that. I don't know, today you'll see what we're doing. Let's just get into it because you'll see as we go. I'm gonna take my yellow dice. This has 12 sides on it, and yes, I bought these dice especially. They match my little subscriber badges. If you become a member of my channel, you get these little subscriber badges next to your name, and I saw these dice online and I was like, oh my god, they match my subscriber badges perfectly. They've got the little like love heart, love notes, and this dice tower is from my favorite board game of all time, which is called Wingspan. We're gonna roll this twice for eyeshadow. You can barely see, but that is a 12. I'm trying not to like ruin it. Okay, I don't want anyone to be like, oh my god, you're lying. It's a 12. So that is yellow. Okay, I can kind of tip it up with the edge, and a 4. Yellow and purple, no. Oh god. Oh my god. I'm literally already like, what the hell? Now we're rolling for eyeshadow shape. I'm really hoping that we get the one eyeshadow color on each side. I feel like that'll be the easiest, but let's see. 3. Cut crease. Alright, let's get started. Don't worry, we're still going to be rolling for a lot more things like our lashes, our eyeliner, the colours, everything, but I just want to do it as we go so that, you know, I can't plan ahead. We just kind of have to make it up as we go. So I'm going to find some purple and yellow eyeshadows that kind of look nice together, I suppose. I actually found some really good options. So first of all, we have this Beauty Base Sunset Horizons palette, and look in here, we have some really nice yellows up the top. We've got a purple in there, but I don't know about using that one. We've got this palette here, the Colour Block by Huda Beauty Orange and Purple Colour Block Obsessions. Obviously we're not using orange, but the colour down the very bottom, and there's some really pretty purple tones in here. And then also the Candy Skies came straight to mind for purples. I've been wanting to use these purples for ages. I think I'm just gonna mix together some of these palettes and just see what we get. Now I had to think about it while I was choosing the colours. I feel like the crease part needs to be purple because it's more bold. If we put yellow in the crease, it's not really like intense enough. So maybe we do yellow on some of the lid and then like purple around it or something like that. I just feel like that's the most natural way to do this. Okay, I'm terrified but excited. So we're gonna take eBug, and I'm going to begin by pressing this all the way over through the crease as my first kind of crease color, because we can intensify it with a darker purple. But this color is so nice. I feel like it's a really nice undertone. Okay, now it's dark again. I could like, you know, set up my artificial lighting and everything a bit better, but I don't know. The natural lighting was so pretty this morning. I'm hoping it comes back in a minute. We'll see. Do you know that purple is one of my favorite colors for eyeshadows, but one of my least favorite colors in real life? I mean, I don't mind this kind of purple, but I don't really like this type of purple. I'm pretty sure that's like my dad's favorite color though. Alright, I feel like we need a taupey kind of color to kind of like give that some depth, and then we can go in with a darker color. I'm gonna go in with this Nude Light Nude Obsessions by Huda Beauty. Here we go. I'm gonna take this like purplish neutral color, and this is, yeah, just to give more depth. See how it's just adding a bit of a shadow. I'm gonna take the even lighter one and blend that all the way to the brow. This purple color is incredible. I'm kind of tempted to use that somewhere. We'll see. I'm getting excited about this. I do feel like the yellow is going to ruin it, and God knows what we're going to get for eyeliner. And it's part of the challenge. Like, I want this to look good, so I'm trying to take each swing in my stride and like make it work. And it may just not. It may just be a fail, but we're going to try our best. Oh, this would have been good to blend out that top color too. I might just use a little bit of it anyway. Why not? Bikini. Oh yeah, that's so cute. It's like a really pale lilac-y color. And you know what, let's go in with the color that I'm terrified of, but you know, we need some more depth in here to make it a super like dramatic cut crease, you know. This color here, Hibiscus, like the Barney purple. Oh gosh, I need a bit more than that. It's so pigmented and I'm scared of it. I'm just using a blending brush and I'm just going to keep working that into the very deepest part of the crease. One wrong move and this whole look is just stuffed up. I'm so scared. If you like this concept, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Right, let's cut her. I'm going to use this. This is actually for the first time. This is Blank Canvas by P.O.BOX. I'm using a clean brush for this. What kind of cut crease am I going to do? Halfway, I reckon, like towards the outer corner. I'm bringing that up reasonably high. Might be a mistake. I'm so nervous. What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna go in with Moonlit because it's like a soft bright yellow. I feel like that's too neon for the other colors we've used. Like it doesn't really go. Oh god, I already hate it. Now there's no rule on how much or how little I have to put on, right? So, you know, it's not like it has to be 50-50, but I'm not gonna cheat. I'm not just gonna do like a little dot of yellow. We'll do like a third across. I don't know why I said it like that. The color itself is just not that like good. I'm also going to use a little bit of this yellowy color right here. Oh gosh, it's a little bit orangey. Okay, I'm just going to commit and then I'm going to tone it more yellow. 1 second. Perfect. Okay, I don't even know if P.O.BOX still makes this eyeshadow palette, but look at that top corner yellow. We're using the Secret and I'm going to kind of just pat that over both of these colors and blend it in. And that pigment is so much better. Wow. I'm still hating this so much. Now I've got to figure out how to add purple in here to kind of like blend the colors together. I'm going to go back in with E-Bug. I'm going to tap that right down that kind of blank space like that. And then to cover up the kind of stark line we have, I am going to use that glittery shade. Let's just see what happens. And like I said, like glitters come later, but we're just going to use this eyeshadow. I'm still going to count it as an eyeshadow. It's in this eyeshadow palette, and if we roll glitter soon, we will just have to add more of a different one. But I'm going to use that right on that line because it's kind of reflective, so as I move my head it shifts, and I feel like that's our best bet to kind of like, it's like a top coat, you know, it kind of blends it. And I feel like that was such a good choice because all of a sudden it's a little bit, oh my god, the lighting. Are you sick of me? Yeah, I'm sick of myself. Yeah, I just feel like that made the look so much more cohesive. Yellow and purple cut crease. It's not my favorite, but we're making it work. Let's roll for eyeliner next. I'm not too sure if I should do eyeliner or the extra add-ons first, but let's do eyeliner. So we need our 6-sided dice, our blue dice. Let's roll for the color first. We got 4, which is Match Eyeshadow Ombre. Okay, and then the eyeliner style, so like the shape, you know. 5, Double Wing. Oh, that's probably my least favorite one out of the whole lot. I'm gonna have to like look up a picture of Double Wing eyeliner. I don't think I've ever done it on myself because I just don't like the way it looks. All of my yellow eyeliners are like neon. Okay, I think we're gonna do double eyeliner in this kind of style, like a double wing obviously is what I mean, double wing. I've not put any eyeshadow on the bottom lash line. I didn't specify that, so I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll add that later once we like set our face. I feel like this is the eyeliner that matches that color the best. Do you agree? Because lots of the lighter yellows are very, very neon and bright, or they're like straight up gold, which we're not doing gold. Okay, that's also kind of good. I mean, we need to do ombre, so maybe we can use both. I loved that last Marc Jacobs eyeliner I used, the wine time color. These are discontinued, but I'm just obsessed. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna use these 4 colors. Why is my hand tan like that? Have I like forgotten to tan? I did. I forgot to tan my hand. I was wondering why it looked weird. This is a little bit nerve-wracking. Fine liner in Grapevine, and now we're using BFF cream gel liner in Piggy Bank. I'm just trying to blend it in the previous color. Oh, and it just snapped off. We love that. Bringing it a little bit into the yellow. Blending that as well as I can. It's so difficult. The eyeliners start getting very sticky. Next up, we're going in with Punch. Attempting to blend that with purple is difficult to say the least, but we'll do our best. This color blends so perfectly with the eyeshadow that you can barely actually see where I'm putting it. Not the worst thing, I guess. And then I'm going in with LA Girl Shockwave in Screamin', which once again you can barely see, but you guys can see I am trying to do ombre eyeliner, so I'm not cheating. I've started doing more Landworks things next door. so you're probably going to hear vibrating and all sorts of weird noises. And that's about as well blended as I can do. That's about where my skills are. But we are going to do the double wing. But first I'm just going to use concealer to like tidy that up. Man, this is a process. I do not have the eye shape for this eyeliner style. I probably could, but I just probably screwed it up. I don't know what I'm doing. Just darkening it. Amos just asked me what I'm doing this morning and I said I was filming, and I showed him like the kind of concept I'm doing. He's like, oh my god, that sounds so cool. Rolling for extras. Got the green dice this time. Alright, what are we gonna get? Oh. Is this one gonna be awkward to show? Hold on, no. 5. Okay. Metallic liquid shit. Okay. I'm happy with that. I feel like out of everything we could have got in, that's safe. I was like, oh, we're gonna get like dried flowers or something full on. Oh my god. I'm happy with that. So metallic liquid shadow. Now to see if I've actually got a color that's gonna match this. And I haven't specified color on purpose because just do whatever at this point. We were strict on the rest, but this is just an add-on. So I'll choose. Obviously in my head, I'm thinking yellow to do the inner corner, like make it pop, you know? But I'm also not gonna like cheat and do something that's gonna cover the color because that's silly. Here we go. This is Huda Beauty Melted Shadows, and we're going to take gold chains. This is old AF. I wonder if it's still going to work. I'm going to start by just applying that on the inner corner. Do some underneath too, like that. See, this is a nice, like, technically it's probably gold, but it's a very yellowy kind of color. And I'm going to apply some of this on top of the yellow, but I'm trying to just do a small amount. I don't want to like cover it. I'm just trying to give it, you know, a bit of a shimmer shine metallic edge. Oh my god, bye. I am obsessed with this concept. Not this makeup look, but the concept. I want to do more. I hope you guys like this. Please like this. How fun is this for when you're just feeling in a rut and you don't know what like makeup you want to do, but you want to be creative? Like, what a fun challenge. If you guys want to try it, feel free to use my little list. I don't care. I feel like the yellow inner corners is just like gone on my eyeliner, but I tried. I'm really hoping we get some falsies of some kind because the other option is just mascara, and I mean, we can make it work, but let's see. 2. Natural style. The thing about lashes is everyone has a different opinion on what's natural and what's dramatic. For me, these are quite natural. They're very wispy. They're not too long. They're not too thick. They're quite natural to me. The Cutie by XO Beauty Stacked Lash. So there's 2 layers of them, but they're very, very wispy and like lightweight. So, oh my god, I almost forgot to put on mascara first. These have a very flexible and like low-key lash band as well, which is perfect for blending in with the colourful liner because we're not wearing black liner, you know. That's still drying, but let's move on to the lips, and then I'm going to do all of the rest of my face on a reel. So if you want to go watch it, you can just go watch it quickly. I feel like this video is long enough. I'll link the reel down below. I'll upload it at the same time as this video. Rolling for lip colour, we have, oh god, this is risky. Oh, finally, the dice are in my favor. We're doing nude, and then lip finish, odd or even, let's see. We have an even number, so we're doing glossy nude lips. I probably would have done matte with this look almost, just because it's so intense, but I'm gonna go in with Dawn. It feels so weird doing my lips before bronzer and everything. And I feel like actually once we've got the bronzer and blush and highlight on, this look's gonna look actually pretty nice. Not gonna lie, I hope. And do you know what's cool is I don't think I ever would have done a makeup look like this had it not have been for the dice. Thank you so much for all the lovely support on my new lip range as well. The reviews that you're leaving on the website, like the DMs, thank you. I'm so glad you guys like them. I don't know if I want to do Willow or Vista. I'm going to try Willow first, which is like a real cool tone. And then we need a lip gloss on top. Do I do clear or do I do like an actual nude color deposit? Man, my lips are so dry. You know what? I'm going to go in with a little bit of Vista, which has like a little bit more peach in it. I need bronzer on. I look so washed out. This is the thing, like people are always like, oh, you suit every lip color. How do you suit every lip color? Honestly, half the time it's about what else you're putting on. It's about the bronzers and blushes and, you know, evening out your skin tone and like all of these different things. Like they will make such a big difference on the wearability of a lip color. It's like right now I look kind of washed out, right? It's because I've got like a flat canvas because I'm only wearing foundation. So you need to add like dimension and stuff to stop yourself from looking like, you know, so washed out. For the gloss, I'm going to go in with Coral of the Wild Lip Gloss by MAC because it's like a super peachy color. Whoa. And there is the lip combination. I don't know, I can't take myself seriously without bronzer on. I'm one of those people, you know, people are like, I can't live without my brow products. Nah, bronzer. And we are back. And I feel like I really pulled this together. Once again, I'll link below the reel of all the products that I used on the rest of my face. But you can see with the bronzer, pop of like peach blush, the highlighter, it all just really brought it together. I don't look so washed out now. The lip color I've not changed whatsoever, but see how much more flattering it looks now. This video was so fun, so much fun. I cannot wait to do it again. Here comes the sun, ding 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 ding. At least you can see the little glitters on the yellow kind of. I don't know, yellow is such a tricky, now it's dark. Yellow is such a tricky eyeshadow color, honestly. Oh my god, I low-key love this look. I low-key don't hate the colors anymore now that everything's on. I will talk to you guys in my next video, which will probably be first impressions on the foundation that I'm wearing today. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Bye bye.